Aloha everybody, Gabe here from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance. Welcome back, mahalo for watching. Today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a seashell necklace with coconut fiber cordage. All you need is coconuts and a good knife. So don't go away and check out how I make a seashell necklace. Okay, when you want to make coconut cordage, just pick a coconut off the ground that's brown like this, or tan, light brown, and you want the larger ones. It's easier to make cordage out of. They have longer fibers than the smaller ones, obviously. And watch out when you're under a coconut tree, because coconuts do fall, and this would really hurt if it hits you in the head. And this is perfect to make some good coconut cordage. Okay, the strongest cordage is on the just inside the skin and next to the shell. So we're going to open this up and show you what's inside. Now you don't want to hit it too hard because there is a shell and you don't want to crack the shell. So I'm just going to do a strip down this side and this side and peel this off. Now there is an easier way to husk a coconut, but I want to use this knife. So see all these fibers right in here? These are really strong. It's right next to the shell. These are going to be great to make cordage out of. All these right here. Okay, let's get started. You want to take 2 bundles of fibers, right? I put a strong one and several softer ones in each bundle because I'm making a seashell necklace and I want it to be fairly soft and comfortable to use or wear. So here you go, and depending on the size of the bundles is going to be the size of the rope or cordage. And since this is just a seashell necklace, it's just going to be fairly thin, but you can always make it, you know, pretty thick if you want, like a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch. And so you start with the 2 bundles. I like to make them even, right? Each fiber is even, fairly, right at the start. Then what you do is you take your right, you put it over the left, pinch it in your left hand, take your right hand and twist the right side, or right bundle, until it won't twist anymore. And then you make the right into the left and left into the right. And then twist, twist, twist. And then when it won't twist anymore, the right becomes the left and the left becomes the right. You just twist the whole bundle, keeping this pinched right here. And you can make a lot of cordage this way. You can get faster at it, you know, and you just twist, 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 twist the one bundle until it won't twist anymore, and then twist the whole thing. So this is just basically using friction to hold everything together. And I'm not the best at this, but I can do it. And also I'll provide links in the description box of other videos I've done on this technique. And I've made a rope at a 1/4 inch thick that can pull a truck. So, and also hold my body weight. So you can see it's coming together. Just twist, 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 twist. Keep this thumb pinched on this area right here. And it's starting to form into cordage. it's fairly strong. There are stronger material, natural material to use, of course. In the tropics, it's usually hibiscus is the most common. Hibiscus bark rope is extremely strong. A coconut fiber rope is not the strongest, but it's fairly strong, and it's kind of waterproof, you know, being next to the ocean, and these fibers don't really deteriorate as easily as some other fibers would, especially in, you know, being wet or in the sun. So you can see what's happening here. I'm getting a cordage. Just keep going, twist, 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 and there you go. It's working great. Now, when you run out of material to use, you want to just take another bundle and just add to it. Make sure it's all even as much as possible. And I like to kind of fold the ends like that and just join it together. And same thing, just twist, twist. Complete reverse, and of course this is the weak point, so you can do it longer, right? But this is just a necklace, so it doesn't have to be super tough. Okay, so now it's this side has to have some, so let's take some of this. To it. Add to the bundles, and you can just keep doing that forever, basically, for as long as your hands hold out, I guess. Or if you have plenty of time, you can. I mean, this is how ancient Hawaiians used to make cordage, how ancient everyone. This is an old technique that's been used by many cultures to make cordage. But the Hawaiians were actually very famous for their cordage, and the sailors, you know, once Hawaii was discovered, sought out cordage made in Hawaii because it was the best. Okay, there we go. Got a pretty good length of coconut fiber cordage. I'm just going to trim it up a little bit. There are kind of, you know, pokey parts that stick out, so I'm just going to take some Leatherman scissors and trim it up a little bit so it's comfortable to wear. Coconut fiber is kind of, you know, it can stick you. You don't want that. So just trim it up, and I made the end a little bit thinner so I can tie it. So basically what I'm going to do here is just like that and trim it. And then we've got our seashell. It was in my pocket, and it's got a little ring on it, and I drilled a hole in the seashell, and we can just put it right on there. And something like that. Just gonna hook it down there. There we go. Now just tie it. seashell necklace. There you go. Seashell necklace for that beautiful lady, and you can impress her by collecting a seashell by the shore and making some coconut cordage for her, and she'll be impressed. The ladies like this. But you know what? I might actually wear this for a little bit, see how it looks on me. So let's check it out. Yeah, sexy? I think so. Oh yeah. My charisma goes up by +10. Ha! No, you know, the ladies like it. You can make seashell necklaces like this, and you know, it's fairly manly, you know, some of them. I'm not quite sure on this one. It's got some purple in it, but it's a pretty cool shell. I really dig it. It was easy to make this coconut fiber cordage. Looks good, awesome. I'll rock it in a couple videos. So I'm gonna wrap this video up right here with the reverse wrap. Booyah! So that's just how to make cordage, and like I was saying, you can make it as thick as you want, basically up to like ½ an inch, or you know, really thin, only a few, like maybe 3 fibers. You know, you want to keep it around there. And this is just thin for a necklace, and you could maybe use it to tie like for a spear, or you know, maybe you could use it for fishing line. I'm not quite sure. I'll try that one day. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here, and I thank you for the like, thank you for the subscription. Make sure you comment. I love all your comments. I love the interaction between YouTuber and viewer. And hit that bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video. You can watch it and tell me what you think. And until next time, hello.